Hello everyone, welcome back to Vibe's Kitchen. Thank you all for returning, and if you are new, you are warmly welcome. I hope this video will inspire you to join us. Today guys, we are making buttermilk, ghee oil, and also whipped cream. Okay, so let's get started. I've got my pure cream and I'm using about 8 of them. I'm going to transfer all of them into the bowl, and when all is done, guys, we continue from there. Now I'm going to bring my hand mixer and then just plug it and start whisking this pure cream. And now look at that. We have our whipped cream made. Can you see that? This is our whipped cream, and this is the first step, okay? So you can use this whipped cream for your bakings, for your cake toppings. You can as well enjoy this with your pancakes or your fruits, okay? And so many more. Now let's continue to whisk and see what you have next. Ta-da! Can you see it's turning into a yellow color? And what can you just imagine this is going to be? It's our butter, guys. It's our butter. And in the butter, we have our buttermilk. Okay, so the more you whisk the butter, the more you get the milk. Okay, so now let's whisk some more to get more milk from this butter. So now we first have our whipped cream made. We are now also onto our butter and our buttermilk. Look at that. It's so inspiring. It's so interesting. Guys, so now let's separate the butter from the milk. Okay. So in no time, after whisking our pure cream, we've got our whipped cream, we have our butter and our buttermilk. This is so amazing. So now with a clean and washed hands, let's mold our butter out of the milk. This is so simple, guys. So keep watching, be inspired to try this right away and make something delicious with your own homemade butter for the family this summer or even as soon as possible. If you are new on my channel and you are inspired, please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to join this beautiful family where we share amazing recipes. So now this butter first mold. With the same process, continue and mold the rest of the butter, okay? Take your time and squeeze all the butter out. If you have the strength, just do that, okay? Because we want more buttermilk for our baking. So right now, guys, we're going to separate the butter from the milk using a chiffon cloth, a muslin cloth, or nutmeg bag, okay? This is how I'm doing mine using a muslin cloth. Let's try and squeeze out the milk gently. Yes, that's it. Now we are using chilled water to again wash out all the excess buttermilk from the butter. Guys, use chilled water. Okay, don't forget to use chilled water. If you use warm water, unfortunately, you're going to melt your butter. Okay, so use chilled water. And then get your beautiful clean butter. Look at that. Now I'm pouring my buttermilk into my jug to store this in my fridge. Okay, I'm going to use this for an amazing baking. So guys, watch out. I got 3 jugs and I'm so happy with that. Amazing. I love this buttermilk. So now onto the butter itself, guys. You can just shape it up the way you want, okay? Shape it up the way you want and then put it in your container and keep this in your fridge. In my case, I'm using my glass butter dish, which I got from the corner shop in my area. And guys, that even inspired me to just make you this butter and ghee and buttermilk video, okay? So I hope you like this video and you are inspired. If you are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and recommend the channel to friends and families who may be interested in my recipes. And if you are new, hey, as I always say, you are warmly welcome to this channel. Please click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to join this beautiful family where we share amazing recipes from the basics, okay, to everywhere that you want this to go. Okay, I'm always there to share my amazing ideas with you. So I hope you like it. So stick and stay. Okay, so the butter is all beautifully molded and this is going straight into the fridge. Lovely people, I have two more ways of making butter and they all taste differently, which I hope to share with you very soon. Okay, so stick and stay. Subscribe if you are new to enjoy my amazing basic recipes for easy baking. So guys, now it's time for us to make our ghee oil. Ghee oil is popular among the Indians and is used in their cookings a lot. And let's not forget that the texture, the taste, the quality of the ghee oil depends on the type of butter that you use. That's why I said I'll bring you two more ways of making butter and they all taste differently and you love them. I've just added my bay leaf. You can as well use any other seasoning for your flavor. Okay, so now let's filter out the ghee oil and throw away the residue. Guys, we are all done making today's video and I hope you are inspired. Please don't forget to share for others to see how amazing and easy it is to make your own homemade butter, ghee oil, buttermilk, and then whipped cream. Thank you all for watching and I hope this video is helpful. If it is, keep sharing, just spread the word, okay? I'm again transferring the ghee oil in my plastic jar to store this on my shelf. This smells so good. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, and enjoy. Take care. Bye, y'all. Cheers.